Hello, this is William Steinbrink. This is my video number 2 for the Capstone project. This is regarding the database and the API. Number 2, what data is stored in this application and what's permanently persistent and stored in the database. So what is permanently stored in the database is the user's name, email address, their hashed password, and I hashed this using bcrypt, their balance, and then the JWT token is stored in the local storage and then deleted when the user logs out. And all transactions, such as transfers, withdrawals, and deposits, are also stored in the database, but I was not able to implement the functionality yet. I ran out of time in order to show those on the web app, unfortunately. I did not have a data abstraction layer, but I would really have liked to do that. The API, I used a RESTful API. The API endpoints that I have, I split into two. I had the user endpoints and transaction endpoints. User endpoints / this was the user homepage and the dashboard. Register brought them to register where they can register and create an account. Login was to log in. Transaction endpoints, deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Transfer ended up, unfortunately, not being implemented, as well as transaction. Time constraints, unfortunately, led those to being cut. And, of course, the deposit, withdraw, those allow users to add funds and take funds away.